everyone, welcome back to Cooling. And now today I'm on Brookhaven because I'm going horse riding today. Well, it's my first lesson, so let's head out the door. I think I've got everything, and yeah, let's open the gate and head out. There we go. Okay, whoops, this side. Okay, what way is this again? Yes, this way. I'm super excited. Oh, and in Adopt Me yesterday, I got my dream pet. It's a bear. Okay, Brookhaven stables. I'll park up here. Okay, let's see. I can see my horse. Let me go show you. Okay, so this is my horse. Let me go in. Her name is BB, which is really cute. So today I've done 2 lessons before, and so I've learned all the first stuff, and today I'm actually going to ride him and all that. So I need to put on my helmet and then I can get on him. Okay, so I've got my helmet. Let me get on the horse and open this door. So I've got the saddle on and everything, so that's good. So first we're just going to basically go around this area just to do some warm-ups, and then BB will probably stop for some hay. Okay, so that's how his actual name, BB, which is really cute. So it is 4 PM because I go from 1 to 4. So it's quite a late session, I think, but it's fine. And then later we'll go like this. We're still learning all these, so sometimes BB will still get it wrong, and we'll just probably stay there. Okay. Okay, he made that one. No, come on. There. Oh, there we go. We're allowed to miss 1 or 2, but... So, BB is just a baby, so yeah. He's not good at this sort of stuff. So, I will be doing a nighttime routine on Brookhaven at some point. I think it might be today or tomorrow. So, then normally we're allowed to just walk them around the area, but we have to have like a torch with us. So, let me just look if I have a torch with me today. Yes, we do. So there we go. So in here is where we like let them sit down for a while. We have to cause we've got to take their saddles off and all that, and reins. So BB's saddle and reins go there, but even if they don't have a saddle on, we can just trot them back because, yeah, don't know why. So now it's normally 6:22 PM, so this is when we start packing up and heading home. My next lesson won't be this late, so yeah. And then I've got to give her a carrot or an apple. There we go. So I give her an apple, she eats it all, I say goodnight, and she's normally there looking, and then I get in my car and go home. So let me see, I'll see you here when I'm in my car. Okay guys, so I'm now pulling out of the stables and BB is nice fast asleep now, and so now I'm heading home. And you guys might be thinking this is a late session. That's because I didn't set the timing right. So yeah, where am I going? I'm going this way. So yeah, I'll be doing more videos like with BB at some point. My nighttime routine will be soon, so that will be fun. Oh, I forgot to take my helmet off. Oh well, I'll do that later. Oh, there we go. And then, hang on, then I'll probably go upstairs and get changed, and then I'll do the outro. Okay, so I've just got changed, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you all next time, and yeah, bye.